Okay, you guys are welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new, kindly just subscribe, please. Thank you very much. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys. Okay, you guys are welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a cartoon with CC, Adobe Photoshop CC in an easy way. Let me just show you the one I made earlier. Let me show you, just like this, and this also kind of like simple, not that kind of hard. It's kind of like good and it's cool. Let's get onto it. Firstly, I have my pictures. Maybe I should go with this one first. Yeah, this is the final touch of the one I match. As you can see, I can see drag out some stuff. I see drag out the lines and all stuff like that. Kind of much easier and simple. I just try it anytime. And let me show you some kind of few things. Now I have all these things. I have them all like this. This is the main source. Unedited one. Unedited one. As you can see, but you have the skin color, the eyes, the eyebrow, the second eyebrow, the glass color, the right glass color, the lip color, the lip line, the lip down color, upper lip color, mouth, skin color. That's kind of like shady, like you know what I mean, the shadows of the faces, the glass color, the hair color. For you to make this hair color, it's kind of like simple. She just like make use of your eraser tool. So you go down to the drop down and select this kind of brush. So once you select it, you click on the hair and like make stuff like this. Can you see? You can't much to make it like look real. You know what I mean? On to the next one. Other glass color, my earrings, my teeth color, the tongue, the glass color again, this is the line and the shading. What I mean by shading is like the inner part, like the dark side there, the inside, like you know what I mean, like smaller stuff inside. Like the nose, kind of much easy. You can just try it. It's nice. Okay, let's get into it. Firstly, everything is sucking machine. It's easy. It's easy. One thing you have to do is make a line. The way you can make a line of this particular picture is by using your pen tool, going through everywhere of the corner of the pictures, making a line of the picture. So when you're done, making a line, I'm using a mouse on my I have one for a pen tool now. So going through that, when you're done, right click, use the black color. Now when stroking, you should use 5. It depends on the resolution of the picture. Right, it's 4 or you use 5, but my resolution of my picture is high, so I'm using 5, and I'm setting the hardness to 100%. And you see, it's okay like this. So when you right click, you swap the part. You don't need to add simulate pressure. You don't need that for now. Use someone you use simulate pressure is when you are working on like maybe the left side, the nose, want to make everything look good. So we're gonna use it then. But now we don't need it. So I made every color, every each color of the glasses. Let me show you. I make every each color of the glasses. Can you see this color? These glasses have like three colors. We have red, we have kind of like touch of crystal, kind of like pink. So that's why I made about three colors for the glasses. Nice. You can quiz yours now. If you need any question or if you like knowing everything about the question of this thing, sorry about my mind.